the Marcos administration, yung feud with your family, was that also?
No, kasi wala eh. Wala na kaming pinag-usapang ganun. All we talked about was the midterm elections and the results of the midterm elections. So that says it all. Parang nandun na yung lahat ng kailangan mong malaman about the Marcos administration because they did not win in Davao and they put so much money in, invested so much in Davao City. So that says a lot already.
He's not yet looking at the 2028.
Wala kaming pinag-usapan na ganun ngayon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe some other day. But wala, I'm just happy to see him again.
And what was your impression kung ngayon pa?
Of course, lahat naman siguro pag ikaw nilagay sa detention unit, you get depressed, you know, you don't want to eat the food because wala kang gana. I think that's natural for everyone, huh?
Hindi ba rin siya naka-adjust sa food here?
It's not the food, it's the situation that he's in.
Sir, what about birthday plans? 81st birthday malapit na. Napag-usapan?
No,
Kayo po, wala po kayong pinaplano for him? Perhaps the whole family gathering here for the 81st?
wala. We don't even celebrate our own birthdays.